What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we're going to Minnesota. But first, last episode I had sweet corn nuggets here at Barney's Bar and Grill in Decorah, Iowa, and they were fantastic. The sweet corn is actually really sweet. But you guys know we gotta rank them, and we have a long list of good things. The corn nuggets themselves, just the corn nuggets. If I can't make that clear, just the corn nuggets. I put them at number 25 on our list. Respectable spot, great spot. But with all that, we do have to get to Minnesota tonight. Overnight episode, we'll stay in Rochester and eat in Minnesota tomorrow. We'll get there at like 10 o'clock, which is a little late, but I did get a tattoo today, so like, we're a bit behind, but that's okay. So let me put our rankings away and we'll go ahead and hit the road towards Minnesota. At the hotel, 50% battery, a little bit before 10, which is good, but still kind of late. Let's go check in. My tattoo. All right, let's go, boys. We got a free room upgrade. King bed, TV, giant desk, and a full kitchen. That's cool. Brody, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry. Can you please eat your food? Oh, look at you got some stuff on your teeth still. You want to show your teeth? Look at Brody's teeth. You need some bracelets down here though. Let me see. Brody, show us your teeth. Brody, show us your teeth. Look at those teeth. You need some braces, Brody. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, I put the mic on for this one. That's freaking perfect. I don't want to blind you guys with my thigh, but like, gotcha. Dude, that's freaking, that kind of hurt. That is crazy. That's so funny. Alrighty, y'all, finished our nighttime routine. Took the boys for a little nighttime walk so I can go to the bathroom. Uploaded some footage, luckily got a lot of that done, and now it is about midnight. It's that time for bed. Had to find my spot in bed because the boys are already settled, so I did. Shout out Barney's. Didn't know it was a long sleeve, but we're rocking it. It's fine. It's really comfy. That's good material. Great place. Great place. All right, but good night. See you in the morning. Did that look like a productive morning? Because it felt like a productive morning. We got a lot done. Last laundry of the trip. I don't have to do it till I get home, so that's cool. But we are in Minnesota. Minnesota is here. Truck going by, I apologize. But with all that, that's a big state. Minnesota's on our board. We're only down here, we're not going up here, but still, that's a lot of ground that we got covered technically. But we gotta go eat in Minnesota. But before we do that, there's a coffee shop right across the street, Caribou Coffee. I never heard of them before. I don't know if they're like a Minnesota or Midwest thing. I don't think they're in Vegas. I want some coffee. Let's get some coffee. That'll do. I always get iced caramel in a new place. That's just my go-to. That'll do just fine. Good coffee. Let's get some lunch. How about that? Let's go eat. Well, I'll tell you in a second. Let's go. We're close. We're gonna skip there. All right, let's go. Minnesota, state number 40. We are here, this is a fun name of this place, at Whistle Binkies on the Lake. That's the name of it. And we're here to try Minnesota's iconic food, which is walleye. I didn't know that, had to confirm with some locals, and it's walleye. The name Whistle Binky actually comes from a Scottish term for a traveling musician. Research, I didn't know that, that's research. And the restaurant is on a lake, which I thought was pretty cool, but Minnesota has 10,000 lakes, and that's not an exaggeration. The license plates literally say land of 10,000 lakes. So like, this is nothing special. It's cool to me, but on a lake is common around here. I don't know if I ever had walleye. Never had catfish, but in Mississippi it did fantastic. I think any fresh, good cooked fish is gonna be good. Good fish is good fish. Walleye, I expect good fish. Let's go in and try it. It's been a while, but this seems like a gym shoe place. All right, a walleye is here. Much bigger than I expected. Crispy on the outside, it's gonna be soft on the inside, I know. And it smells like fish all around here. Outside, inside. It's a fish spot. Dude, look at this thing. This thing is huge. It's falling apart. The inside, you can tell it's soft, it's smoking, you can tell it's fresh. Cheers, walleye, Minnesota. Whistle Binkies on the lake. Pretty mild. Not very fishy or seafoody at all. Soft, it's got some flavor, but way more mild than I would have thought. Usually fish has like a strong fish flavor, especially like clam and oysters, you know? This is like the least fish tasting fish I've ever had. It's not overwhelmingly flavorful. Interesting. It's good, don't get me wrong, but it's not, it's like, I want more flavor, you know? If you're not a big seafood person, but you want to try a fish that's not too bad, walleye is the way to go. You know what, with that being said, good start to the day. We've been running on cheese curds, deep dish pizza. It hasn't been great, but this like lighter feeling food, although it's still fried, it's a better start to the day than we've had in the past. I do appreciate the lightness of it for that reason, but I don't feel terrible after eating it. I mean like, you know what I mean. I'm just eating a bunch of fried food. But with that being said, I am gonna finish this and enjoy it and let you guys know what I think in a bit. I've been checking my face and my mouth ever since that New York episode. I had buffalo sauce here for like 2 days. I had no idea, but I think I'm good. What's up, Brody? What's up, Brody? Dude, Raider barely got up for me. It's like, it's worrisome when he gets this tired because he's usually a freaking maniac. I think he's okay. I hope he's okay, but he's sleeping back there. But you, Brody boy. What's up, Brody boy? What's up, Brody boy? Anyways, about the walleye, don't want to repeat myself. Like, it was good, I ate it all that's fine. I just wish it was more like flavorful, but that was less than I expected. And I sound like a huge critic. I loved it, like it was good. Love's a strong word. I liked it, I ate it all, no complaints. But you guys know, we gotta put it somewhere. Minnesota walleye, I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Thanks for watching us in Minnesota. See you guys tomorrow.